Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to move apps to another drive in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please leave a link and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, you may have this problem where you move the apps and when you go ahead and open it up, okay, it doesn't work or it doesn't open. Why is that? So Microsoft right here will only look for the directory where it's originally installed or linked, okay? So that's what we're going to do right now. So go ahead and open up your command prompt. Find CMD on your search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes as there will be a pop-up. Okay. Now in here, what we'll do is basically, is just type down robo copy space double quotation space double quotation. Okay. Or I mean two double quotations. Okay. Now space /sec space /move space /e. All right. So again, robocopy, double quotation, two double quotation, space /sec, space /move, space /e. So as you might have noticed, we have two double quotations. Why is that? So first up, we need the target file or directory and the folder where you wanted to move it. So for example, I'm going to open up my File Explorer right here. Let's go ahead over to local disk C as this is where our apps are usually installed. So program files, maybe I would like to move Razor, okay? The Razor app. So what you'll do is just double click on the folder, click on the directory box at the top, right click and copy. Now paste it right here in the first double quotation. Okay, use your keyboard's left click or left arrow key and just paste it right here, right at the center. Control V to paste, and then the next one is the destination. Where? So we have it copied from local disk C. Let's say I'm going to move it to files. Okay, right here. So what you'll do is go ahead and create a new folder if you want to. And then I'm just going to name it Moved Apps. Okay, double click on the file folder, click on the again directory box, right click and copy, and just paste it right here. Paste. The one stands down, just hit on enter. Now just wait for it. And as you can see here, it's done. When we go ahead over to this PC, local disk C, program files, Razor, there's a folder, but you don't need it anymore. But before you delete everything right here, let's continue. Okay. So let's go ahead and go back, check files. Here we have moved apps, and here's Razor. Okay. So the final step here is to link the app. Okay. So as you might remember, we just moved it. So go ahead and type down mklink space, again, two double quotations, space two double quotes again, space /J. That's it. So just copy the directory from the top. Okay, if you want to. This one starting from C to the last letter, copy. Scroll all the way down. Paste it right here. Right at the center. And again, just going to copy it right here. Files, moved apps, this one. Copy. Paste. Now, finally, just hit on enter. There you go. Now, if it says cannot create a file when the file already exists, so when I go ahead and do this process, just make sure that the application that is tied to that folder is not running in the background. So when you go ahead and retype the same exact command, it will just pop up junction created for program files Razor to moved apps. That is it. That's how simple it is to move apps to another drive in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.